Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All, educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn how to hide a layer in Autodesk SketchBook. In previous video we have learned how to create new layer, and we added lots of those, and now we have some kind of problem. We can have some kind of problem that when we have lots of stuff on the screen, sometimes we want to hide some of those, not delete but just hide. Hide or show is defined and controlled by this icon here with the eye image. So hide layer, every layer has it, and you can hide or show every layer by selecting it like this and then clicking on hide. In this video, example, so far we have made two different hair styles, this one non-symmetrical and this one symmetrical. So I can hide and unhide them to show to my client how this character looks, so we can decide which one looks better. Same thing I can do here, I think, by no, I don't have hide here, but I can do here by by clicking on this icon. So same as we have learned in previous video, when you click on this circle, and again every layer has it, then click with left mouse button, but do not release the left mouse button until you choose what you want from this circular menu. In my case this is the hide icon which I want to use, so I am pointing with my left mouse button still down, dragging to that place which is on my left, hide, and it will work the same. You can hide as many as you want or show, and that way make your life easier or harder. It depends on what you need, but the whole idea here is that when you have complex sketches, complex drawings, you probably want to hide stuff when you want to work on details of some other specific points and in space on that drawing or sketch. So for example, if I want to work on this right eye now here, I can select that eye and layer and work on it, but the problem here would be with my hair over the eye, so I wouldn't be precise, or if this hair was colored I wouldn't see it at all, so I would just hide this layer. Or, as I have explained a few moments ago, when you have more than one solution to some problem or idea, like for example character design, environment design, and you are not sure, it's better to save all those layers and just unhide them until you are 100% sure what you need for your final. That's it for this video. This one was short but also very important, because these buttons, these icons, they are all here side by side, and you will use them a lot, and they're not by accident very close to your layer here, so you can just click fast on them and find them every time you draw something. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.